Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using my hair and apply onion treatment that we made the last time. I'm going to be applying it to my hair. So I'm going to tell you the benefits of that onion treatment. It makes your hair look softer. If you have the type that have a very strong hair, I recommend onion treatment for you. It's very good to make the hair soft as if you put that down your hair. So and my hair is very stubborn, so I'm going to be applying that on my hair before I go ahead to make my thread that I'm going to make today. So this is me using the last purple that I made the last time. So I'm going to be using it. So how are you guys doing? So it is very soft. So not even pain you while you're combing right there. Very soft. The comb will just be entering your hair. 15 minutes and wash it off.